Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install JourneyMap for Minecraft Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser, then you just need to write JourneyMap Modern, click on the link here, and then go to versions, select platform, fabric, game versions 26.1. And then you just need to download this file. Then what you need to do here is to press on discover content, mods, and then look for fabric API. Fabric API. Versions, game versions 26.1, and then install it here. Then you need to go to fabricmc.net, press download, and download for Windows. And once you have these three files, I will show you what you need to do next. So first, completely close Minecraft Launcher and Minecraft, and then press on Fabric Installer. Wait for a couple of seconds and install 26.1, and you should get successfully installed message. If you're not getting this, there is two ways why. Your Minecraft or Minecraft launcher is not completely closed, or you don't have Java. So go ahead and install Java. Then you need to open up Minecraft launcher and wait until it loads up. Then you need to go to Minecraft Java, installations, and then look for Fabric Loader 26.1, press on the folder. Then you need to go to mods folder here. If you don't see mods folder, just press new and name it mods. And then here you need to drag and drop these two files. I already got this one, but I will put it as well. Then you just need to load Fabric Loader 26.1. So guys, I just load the game, and as you can see, there is a map for me. If I press J, also I can do a bunch of different things and change things as well. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.